Semiconductors are vital to modern automotive design, powering electric vehicles, emissions controls, and safety systems. With long product life cycles and service commitments, automakers need components available years after production ends. Rochester Electronics delivers a continuous semiconductor supply. Through trusted supplier partnerships, we provide 100% authorized, traceable stock. We're not a broker. As an AS6496 compliant factory direct source, we eliminate the need for costly testing. With over 250 million automotive-grade devices in stock and over 8,000 part numbers from top suppliers, we support a wide range of solutions. As a licensed semiconductor manufacturer, Rochester has produced over 20,000 device types, certified to ISO 9001, ISO 14001, IATF 16949, and ANSI ESD S2020. We follow AEC Q100 reliability testing and VDA 6.3 audit standards, ensuring quality, safety, and environmental compliance. Rochester offers a full range of manufacturing services, including wafer storage and processing, assembly, testing, reliability, and analytical services. When Intel discontinued its 82527 CAN controller, automakers faced costly redesigns. To avoid disruption, Intel transferred the product to Rochester in 2005. We've manufactured it since, ensuring seamless support for legacy systems. When a key supplier's transmission controller IC was discontinued, Rochester stepped in with back-end assembly services, keeping the system in production. When facing component obsolescence in critical long-life applications, trust Rochester. We keep the automotive industry moving.